Now we get to the lesson number 4 about Noon Sakin and Tanween Iqlab. We are gonna shift gears and dive into rules of Noon Sakin and Tanween, and we are starting with the first one, Iqlab. Iqlab literally means turning or changing. That's exactly what happened here. Here's the rule. When you find Noon Sakin, or just like the Tanween, as Tanween sign at the end of the word, those double vowels at the end of the word, double dash, is followed by the letter ba. If the Noon or Tanween followed by the letter ba, you don't pronounce the letter Noon. You turn it into letter Meem. That you mean that you change it to a different letter, you pronounce it like a letter Meem. But that's not all. On top of that, you also have to apply Ghunnah. That's a nasal sound I talked about earlier. So you are gonna get a nasal sound for 2 counts while you are making them Meem sound. Let's look for some example to be clarified. The word min after the word ba'd, mim ba'd. So here we have the noon sakin and then followed by letter ba. You turn that noon into mim and you add ghunnah for 2 beats. Mim ba'd. The next word have samee'un basir. Samee'un basir. So here we have a tanween on word samia and followed by the letter ba at the beginning of the word basir. So you turn the tanween into meme sound and add ghunnah for 2 beats. Samee'un basir. The next example is anba'uhum. So we have noon sakin before al-ba in the word anba. Noon sakin followed by letter ba. So you turn noon into meme and apply ghunnah for 2 beats. Next example here we have man ba'athana. So we have noon sakin followed by the letter ba in the word min ba, man ba'athan. So you upturn the letter noon into meme and say man ba'athana. So to sum it up, when you find noon sakin or tanween meets ba, whether it's in the same word or the following word, you turn it into meme and apply nasal sound ghunnah for 2 counts. That's smooth and